Skin, especially if you spend a lot of time in air-conditioned or dry environments. Look for a mist that contains hydrating ingredients like aloe vera or hyaluronic acid, and use it as needed throughout the day. Use a vitamin C serum. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that can help to brighten and even out your skin tone. Look for a serum that contains vitamin C, and use it in the morning before applying your moisturizer. Use a face oil with retinol. Retinol is a powerful ingredient that can help to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, as well as improve skin texture and tone. Look for a face oil that contains retinol, and use it at night before applying your moisturizer. Use a gentle, non-foaming cleanser. Using a gentle, non-foaming cleanser can help to remove dirt and debris from your skin without stripping it of its natural oils. Look for a product that is designed for your skin type, and avoid using harsh or abrasive cleansers. Use a face roller or gua sha tool. Using a face roller or gua sha tool can help to improve circulation in your skin, which can help to reduce puffiness and improve skin tone. Use your roller or tool in the morning before applying your skincare products. Use a lip balm. The skin on your lips is delicate and prone to dryness, so using a lip balm can help to keep this area hydrated and healthy. Look for a lip balm that contains ingredients like shea butter or beeswax, and use it as needed throughout the day. Use a sunscreen. Sun damage can contribute to tired-looking skin, so it's important to use a sunscreen daily to protect your skin from the sun's harmful rays. Look for a sunscreen that is lightweight and non-greasy, and that is designed for your skin type. In conclusion, caring for tired skin requires a combination of good skincare habits and lifestyle changes. By following these tips and incorporating them into your daily routine, you can help to nourish and hydrate your skin, protect it from environmental stressors, and promote a more even, glowing complexion. Remember to be consistent in your skincare routine, and don't hesitate to consult with a dermatologist if you have any concerns about your skin. Here are some more tips to help you care for tired skin. Use a facial massage tool. Facial massage tools like a jade roller or a gua sha tool can help to improve lymphatic drainage and reduce puffiness in the face. Use your tool in the morning before applying your skincare products. Get regular facials. Regular facials can help to revitalize your skin and give it a more youthful appearance. Look for a facial that is designed for your skin type, and that contains ingredients like vitamin C or hyaluronic acid. Use a nighttime face mask. Using a nighttime face mask can help to nourish and hydrate your skin while you sleep, making it look more radiant and youthful in the morning. Look for a mask that is designed for your skin type, and use it once or twice a week. Take a break from makeup. Wearing makeup every day can be taxing on your skin, especially if you're using heavy, full coverage products. Take a break from makeup every once in a while to give your skin a chance to breathe. Use a face mist with rosewater. Rosewater has natural anti-inflammatory properties that can help to soothe and calm tired, irritated skin. Look for a mist that contains rosewater, and use it as needed throughout the day. Use a sleeping mask. A sleeping mask is a type of overnight mask that is designed to be left on your skin while you sleep.